Question number 12. The point P minus 4, 1 divides the line segment joining the points A 2, minus 2 and B in the ratio 3:5. Find the point B. Let B be alpha, beta and A is equal to 2, minus 2. Ratio is equal to 3:5 and point P is equal to minus 4, 1. A point P and B. A point is here, that is 2, minus 2, and P point is given, that is minus 4, 1, and ratio is 3:5, and B find the coordinate point of V, that is alpha, beta. It's x1, y1 and it's x2, y2, and ratio is m1:m2. Using by section formula, that is P minus 4, 1 center point is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2. It's section formula, and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. P minus 4, 1 is equal to m1 x2, that is 3 into x2 is alpha plus 5 into 2 divided by m1 plus m2, 3 plus 5, and m1 y2, 3 multiplied by beta plus m2 y1, 5 multiplied by minus 2 divided by 3 plus 5, which implies P minus 4, 1 is equal to 3 alpha plus 10 divided by 8 and 3 beta minus 10 divided by 8. First point we are comparing minus 4 and second point we are comparing 1. Which implies 3 alpha plus 10 upon 8 is equal to minus 4, which implies 8 4s are 32, and 3 alpha plus 10 is equal to minus 32. 8 4s are 32 but negative, which implies 3 alpha is equal to minus 32 minus 10, that is minus 42. 3 alpha is equal to minus 42. Alpha is equal to minus 42 divided by 3, that is minus 14. And second point is 3 beta minus 10 upon 8 is equal to 1, which implies 3 beta minus 10 is equal to 8 ones are 8. 3 beta is equal to 10 plus 8, and 3 beta is equal to 18, which implies beta is equal to 18 divided by 3. 6 3s are 18. So point B is equal to alpha is minus 14 and beta is 6. 14 minus 14 comma 6. Answer. Let B be alpha and beta, and A is equal to 2 minus 2, ratio is equal to 3:5, and point P is given minus 4 comma 1. B draw a line AB. P is the center point of AB and ratio is 3:5. A point is 2 comma minus 2, and B find the coordinate point of B, that is alpha comma beta, and we are using section formula, that is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2, comma m1y2 plus m2y1 upon m1 plus m2. P minus 4 comma 1 is equal to 3 multiplied by alpha plus 5 multiplied by 2 divided by 3 plus 5, m1 plus m2. And similarly 3 multiplied by beta plus 5 multiplied by minus 2 divided by 3 plus 5, that is equal to P minus 4 comma 1 as it is, and 3 alpha plus 5 2s are 10 upon 8, comma 3 beta minus 10 upon 8. We are comparing first point and we find the value of alpha, that is 3 alpha plus 10 upon 8 is equal to minus 4, and 8 multiplied by 4, that is equal to minus 32, and 10 is shifting right, this will be negative, and minus 32 minus 10, that is equal to minus 42. 3 alpha is equal to minus 42, which implies alpha is equal to minus 42 divided by 3, that is minus 14 3s are 42, and we find the value of alpha. Similarly, second point, that is 3b minus 10 upon 8 is equal to 1. 8 ones are 8, and 3 beta minus 10 is equal to 8. 10 will be positive in right, and 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. We find the value of beta, that is 18 divided by 3. 6 3s are 18. So required points of B, that is equal to minus 14 comma 6. Answer. Thank you.